Okay, I wanted to give you guys some announcements verbally because of the confusion this morning and just the things that happened. Number one, the journal. Journal number one, you can work on it all weekend. And it covers one of the questions that I mentioned from the battery of questions, I believe on page 10. And the second part covers which theory of, let's say, growth or theories you subscribe to, and will help you through this process. And you can, like I said, work on it all weekend and get it in by Sunday night. Okay. Number two, the article. Next week, I'm going to try to give each of you about 1 to 2 minutes to briefly explain to the class what you found, what your article was about, and how and why it interested you, why you were drawn to that. And it'll be short. This is a very short thing. I wouldn't spend a lot of time preparing for it. I would just get the article that you choose, and then you're going to write the summary, okay? The summary of what it was about and why it inspired you, why you chose that particular thing, and then submit the written part to the appropriate box by Friday of next week, Friday night, midnight, okay? And like I said, verbally we'll do each of these, hopefully, because there's 20 of you guys, we can probably do a few at the beginning, a few at the end. Number three, and some of you had to leave, I understand. Next week we talk about childhood and adolescence. So I'm asking all of you to bring in a toy or a game or something that reminds you of your childhood. It could be clay, it could be crayons, it could be a game, something, a frisbee, anything. And you're going to spend some time in class being a child again. So bring that with you or have it available to you for the start of class next week. I'm going to get the dates to you over the weekend, all the dates of due dates for the rest of the term, which I know were not in the syllabus because of some last minute things and then the distraction from the events in the country. So the syllabus is accurate. It's completely accurate, minus the dates that might be at the very bottom, which were probably last summer because that's the last time I taught the class. Okay, so be sure, I hope you read this or saw this, all right? And I will talk to you hopefully in between, maybe, and we'll meet again for our second class next Friday. Thank you.